Please don't mind this. Really hope this motivates you guys. Thoughts? Hi y'all, I'm Kaya and welcome back to my channel. Today's supposed to just be a room reset. I've been bed rotting, okay? That's not good. It's 3:43 and there's a party tonight, an R&B night. It's from 9 to 1. We said like we're gonna leave, like we're gonna be there, we're gonna leave at 10, but it's 4. For my room, I know didn't I do like a room reset last week? Or like the week before that? And I'm doing it again. Last week in my time, not y'all's. But look, this is crazy. So I actually do want to move my room around because like it's like in a strip from like the door. It just goes out like this, and I haven't moved it all year, so I want to do that. So I think I'm gonna clean and do that. Please don't mind the mess. But this is like the setup. It's just like in a strip, but I kind of want to move my bed out and like redo that cart so that can be like my kind of like my nightstand, but I do kind of like having like the corner of this, so I might move it down and have my chair like in between my drawers to have like a little nook. That's the plan. It's 4. Girl, I need to be done in like 2 hours. Can I do it? I gotta log in. Okay, y'all. Y'all see that I moved the bed, but I don't know. Like, I don't know why. Like, I'm kind of hesitant because I gotta see the full potential. Because like, I don't want to be all up on my roommate's side. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just be kind of feeling bad. But because like here's my bed. Here's where it ends. Half of the AC unit, and then that's her ottoman over there, and the rest of her stuff. So, thoughts? I don't know. You would think, like, now that I'm in college, I wouldn't bring that much stuff. Once we break it down, it's not that much. So you always gotta take it off. Okay, brief intermission. So I made my noodles, my bed, I'm sitting on my bed, and there's a desk. There's a desk. It's like right behind it. I kind of like it because it sections off my bed. It's kind of like a separate room. Oh yeah. That's how you know I'm in college. Because there's no way that I think ramen is good right now. Okay, y'all, so for the most part, I am done. Here it is. Yeah, it's hot, so I have on a sports bra and some shorts. But here I organize. This is the stuff that I need on a daily, and also this stuff. Then come over here. These are my paper towels. I'm gonna put them up. Trash. And then right here is my little nook. And my tote bag right here. And then come over here. Here's my desk area. There's a lot of stuff over here, but whatever. There's like my books and my planner, my journal and stuff, and then all I have is all my vitamins and medicine and just like some extra miscellaneous stuff. And then I have some knickknacks, candle, and then I have some tea, and then I also have some ginger chews and some cough drops. And then we have vitamin C packets, some honey. Y'all see the nail stuff is because I have to do my nails and stuff for tonight. So, and then here are my dishes. I just went downstairs and cleaned them, so I have to put it away. And then here's my humidifier that I got from my friend I borrowed. And that's my makeup bag. And then come over here. Here is my bed. So cute. Nicely made. And here is my cart, my rolling cart. That's going to be my little nightstand. I did not refold my clothes that are in the drawers, in my drawers, and I did not do anything in my closet. That's going to have to be for a different day and a different video. But for now, I'm done. It is time check. It's late. It's like 7. Time check is 7:06. And the party starts at 9, but we're going to get there like 10 to 11. So I need to start getting ready for that. That will conclude today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Really hope this motivated you guys to clean. I did not want to clean myself, but I knew it had to be done. And also, like, I went to the health center here, and they told me that I had to clean and wipe down any dust because of my allergies. It's spring. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.